In front of me is a Honor 9A, and today I will show you how you can hard reset a device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. And as you just seen, I do have a pattern set right on here, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So as you can see, the device is locked right now. There we go. And to start off, we want to hold the power key. From there, once we have the option, select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So let's do it right now. And it looks like once you see the Honor logo, you want to let go of the power key. If you hold it for too long, like I just did, it will reboot the device again. So once you see Honor, let go of only the power key. There we go. For some reason that took way longer than it should have. So from there, once you do so, once you see the Honor logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down, it will boot you after like 20 seconds into the recovery mode. So from here you want to select clear data by simply tapping on it, and then select factory reset. And in here it tells you that you need to confirm the process by simply typing in yes. There we go. Once you type it in, select factory reset. This will instantly begin the process. I believe right here it only gets to about 20 or 30% and then it's finished. So let's see if I'm actually correct. Yep, there we go. So from here, I'm gonna select back and then restart. And this will now continue the process in the background. It will take the phone about like 5 minutes or less to finish it up. And once it's finished, we should then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.